Cruisecraft is a third-generation family-owned business. My name's Nathan Nichols. I'm one of the 3 current owners and directors of the business. We've been operating now for nearly 79 years in the Brisbane metro area. We produce everything in-house, all our own R&D, development, design, right the way through to the end product that we deliver to the best dealer network in Australia. So PowerMatched for us is something that validates everything we've been doing. We spend more time in R&D, more time in our design, more time matching the right combinations together. So to have the PowerMatched validation is extremely important to our business. It's just, again, a reassurance to the customer that we've taken everything into consideration. At Cruisecraft, we only use the best componentry that we can get. So whether it's the bow roller right the way down to the engine on the back of the boat, it all has to work in synergy. So we only use the best products. We put them through our extensive R&D program to make sure that they fit well, they're fit for purpose, and they deliver the customer the ultimate experience.
One of the best advantages that we have by working with a company like Yamaha is it gives us the access to the latest technology and outboards, which then enables us to put into our product, as we're doing the development, the latest products. We can be ahead of the game by doing that, and that way then the whole product is being integrated. So when we look at how Helmmaster was working, we were fortunate enough to be able to be one of the first in Australia to get access to that product, which we then started to develop the boats around that product to make sure that it interfaced well and that the assembly and the installation process was spot on. We see Yamaha as the best brand of outboard on the market that suits our product, Cruisecraft. We get to make some pretty amazing product and bolt it on the front of the Yamaha outboard.
Cruisecraft over the last couple of decades has really focused its energies on delivering a balanced package that customers want, customers use, and have the reassurance that what they're buying is of the best quality. Using Yamaha product exclusively just fits the bill for us. So from the componentry, the rigging, right the way down to the engine, it's just the best. It really is. That gives the customer a better buying experience because he knows there's no shortcut being taken. He knows that the boat's been tested, it's been propped correctly, the engine's been put on the right height. That way then when he does hop in and turn the key, it's ready to go. From the day he picks it up from the dealer to 100, 200, 300 hours later, it is still buying with confidence. It's still giving you that level of assurance that what you've got is the right combination.